friends, welcome to today's video. I am so excited. This is my favorite video to film and I've only done it once ever before and I cannot wait. Today I'm going to be condensing my sinking funds and just making them a little less bulky by replacing my money with bigger bills. And I'm going to take whatever is left and put it back in the bank. So I literally love doing this. It's one of my favorite videos to watch because it's so satisfying and I'm really excited to be able to do it. And I'll probably do it every 2 months, 2 to 3 months, just because I'm noticing that that's when it starts getting really bulky. So let's figure out how much money we have here and then we'll get going. All right, so this is what I pulled out or have prop money for to replace my bills. And so we'll count it and then at the end we should have the same amount. And then we'll put the real money back in the bank and make sure my savings account is up to date with how much money's in the bank. Okay, so let's see how much we have. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 2, 4, 6, 8, 800, 2, 4, 6, 8, 900, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1,000. So this is 1,000. And then we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have $1,260. And I have to write that down or I'm going to forget. Okay, so let's get my little cash tray out and we will sort these on here. Okay, so we are good to get started and I'm going to start with my side hustle sinking funds. So in income right now, we don't have anything because we are waiting for our next pay. But in taxes, we have $240. So let's count and make sure that that is true. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So 240. So to make that, we are going to get two $100 bills. I'm going to do real for now. So 240. So we have 100, 200, 220, 240. And we'll put that in taxes. And now we will put these here. Shoot. So actually what I'm going to do, instead of putting them back in this pile, I'm going to put anything we take out over here, and then we will count it all up at the end. Okay, so in products, we have $45, and I'm going to take 2 10s and add in a 20, and I think that's all I'm going to do because I do need change for this sometimes. So we should still have 45, so we have 20, 30, 45. And I think that's all I'm going to condense this one. Sometimes it's nice to have change. And then next is equipment, and equipment has $20, and I'm going to condense this a little bit, but not completely. So let's do a 10. So we have 10, 15, 20. And that is all I will do for now. Next we have shipping, and shipping has 42. So we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. And for this one, I don't need small bills, so I'm going to put 2 20s. So we have 20, 40, 41, 42 in shipping. And then in office, we have 41. And I don't need small bills for this one either. And we have 20, 30, 41. So I'm gonna take these 2 10s and get a 20. So now we have 20, 41. And then in marketing, we have 31. And I don't need small bills for this one either. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So let's do, let's see. So let's do a 10, 5, and 5 ones for 20. So now we have 10, 20, 31. Whew, can't do math. So 31 in there. And then bills, I'm pretty sure is as condensed as it can get. It has 24, and we have 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So that is all we can do for this one. So my side hustle sinking funds are condensed. And they were already pretty condensed, so not much of a difference on this one, but still fun to do. Next thing we'll do are my revolving sinking funds. And car maintenance is in the bank, so this will be prop money. And we should have 210. So we have 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, and 210. So we'll need a 100 and a 10, and the rest of this can go to the side. And we'll get another fake 100. So now we have 100, 200, and 10 in car maintenance. Then in gifts, we should just have a 10, which is condensed as it gets. So we are all done with that. Household has 100, 205. So that is also done. Medical, we can definitely condense. So if you missed one of my last videos, I said how I am putting the amount of money that I have in my flexible spending account, I'm putting it in here. So I want to eventually get a $500 bill placeholder, but for now, I'm just gonna keep the 100s in there, and we should have 968. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 920, 40, 60, 65, 67, and 68. So 968. So we need 900. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which I have. And then 68. So we'll need a 50, a 10, so 60, oops. So 150, 60, 65, and 8, okay. So this should be 968, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 60, 65, 67, 68. So that is as small as I can make it. But hoping to make it smaller soon. Vacation, I'm pretty sure is as condensed as it gets. We have 20, 40, 65. So that's all good. Boyfriend, I think just has 5. Yep. So we're all good there. Shopping just has 5, so we're all good there. Weddings can definitely condense. Let's see. So in weddings, we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So we are definitely going to get rid of all of this and get 2 20s. So 20, 40 in weddings. And then fitness and wellness can also condense. So we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we'll get rid of this 10 and get a 10. So now we have 30. And then volleyball can definitely condense as well. But I'm not gonna fully condense it because I usually need like 70 or 80 out of this. So let's see what we have. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. So I'll keep the 20s for sure. So what do we have here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So let's do a 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's do a 20. And let's see what that. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, and 120. So 120 is what we had. So let's see. I'd probably take out like 70 or 90. Yeah, we're going to keep it at that for now. So 120 in volleyball. I'm gonna have to pay for that this week. So you probably won't see this money in there again. Clothing has just 15, so that is already condensed. Electronics, I think just has 5. Yep, that one's done. And entertainment is at 15 as well. So that one can't be condensed anymore. And then in giving, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll keep 2 of these. Keep my best 2, yep. And we'll get a 5, so we have 5, 6, 7. And then 1 week ahead can definitely go down. So let's see, we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. All right. So we have a 5 in here, and this should be 40. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. So we'll put that down and we'll take 2 20s. And now we have 20, 45 and 1 week ahead. That's exciting for me to see some big bills in there. And then subscriptions has 2 5s, so we'll just give it a 10. All right, so my revolving sinking funds are done, and this is definitely much smaller. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it absolutely is. So far this is our stack. We're not even done yet. So now we have our fixed sinking funds, the date specific ones. And first up is Kay's birthday. And she should have 30, 10, 20, 25, 30. So for her, we are going to do 5, 10, 20, and take a 20. So now we have 30. Okay. Ready to be spent. And then my sister-in-law's birthday can also go down. So we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we'll take these 10 and we'll pick up a 10 for 30. Mother's Day, I think, can go down a little bit. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we'll definitely keep 2 1s. Those are good ones. So now we should have 10, I think, here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll take this 10, and now we have 12. And now for my friend Lauren's birthday, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's keep 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll take a 5. So now we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 for Lauren. Father's Day is empty right now. Colin's birthday, my boyfriend, he has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 65. So we'll need a 5. And then this should be 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So we can take 3 of these. 20, 40, 60. So now we should have 20, 40, 65. Perfect. And then we have nothing in Black Friday and nothing in anniversary for now. And I took some of my other envelopes out just to make it less bulky, but I still have them. And that is it for this one. Not very full. And now the best one that's gonna have so much change to make is Big Blue. Say it with me. So this one I'm most excited to condense because, well, let me show you. It's so thick. So thick. Okay. So we've got planner up first. Oh, I already opened it. And in planner, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm gonna put this all down and take 60, 20, 40, 60. 60 in planner. Card tax is all in the banks. This should all be prop money. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, and 120. So we'll keep a 20. We'll put the rest back and we'll take 100. So now we have 120 in card tax. And then my Cali trip. Oh no, I keep doing this. I need some new pouches because I think I just overstuffed these. Oops. Okay, so in lodging, let's see what we have. So we have 155. We can't do anything with that, so we'll just put it back. Entertainment's empty. Transportation, we have 50, 100, 150. So we can keep 150 and put 250s back and take a 100. Or take 250, you know what I mean. Okay, so we have 150 in here. And then gas, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. These are like the world's oldest ones, but we will keep them in here. The only real cash I have in this whole envelope. Food, we just have a fake 5, so we'll keep that. Alcohol is empty. And miscellaneous is empty. So that is it for Cali. Not much thinner, but something. And now Lauren's wedding. This one is really the bulky problem here. So I think I'm going to condense this and then take it out. So this is my bachelorette party envelopes and they are fully funded. So I don't really need them in here anymore since they are fully funded. But let's see. In gift, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So we'll put that down and take 2 20s, 2 fake 20s. Whoop. So 40 in gift, and all this money is in the bank. Entertainment has 50, 70, 90, and that is as much as we can condense it, so we'll just keep it like that. And these double-sided envelopes are available in my Etsy shop if you want them. Food has 50, 70, which is as condensed as it gets. And alcohol has 50, which is condensed. Miscellaneous has 10, 25, so we'll take a fake 20. And transportation has 10, 25, so we'll take a fake 20, which I don't have. Well, we'll just steal it from this stack, which is getting hefty. So 25. And now these ones are all condensed. So we'll put them in the bachelorette party envelope and then we'll put this over here for now. So now we have the wedding envelopes, which are mostly empty. These are all empty, except for this one, which just has 10. So we'll just leave that. Put all these back in. Oh yeah, that's so much better without this. So we will keep it like that. Now for Christmas. In Christmas, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 65. So we'll need a 5 in there. And then this should be 40. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That was actually a better, oh, we don't need ones. So this will go down and we'll take our last two 20s. So now we have 20, 40, 65 in Christmas. Oh my gosh, it's so much smaller. Okay, so now is the moment for our savings challenge. We are finally going to add up how much is in here. And this is after 2 months of saving a random number between 5 and 20. So we're going to first sort the bills, and then we're gonna see how much we have, and then we will condense it. So let's just organize it. All right, so it's all organized. Now we're gonna count it. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So we have exactly 130. That's funny. So we have 130 in here. And we are going to put this money in the bank, and that's because I just don't like having a lot of cash in the house. So let's get 130. Trying to find a fake 20 in here. There we go. All right. So we have 120 and 30. I'm just gonna recount this and make sure I'm right. It's definitely 130. So now we have 120, 30 in my savings challenge. And I could just put this back in the envelope, right? But I have already decided what I'm using my savings challenge for, and it is for my California trip. So what I'm going to do, hello, there we go, is take some of these envelopes out of here and put them in my savings challenge and start allocating this money. So let's see. These are the categories I can stuff last for my trip. So I figured I might as well stuff them in my challenge because I don't want to touch that money until after the challenge. So miscellaneous needs $100. So I'm going to give $100 of the savings money to it. So we have this, and we can put that in our savings challenge. And now we have $30, and I'm going to put that towards food. So now we have $20.35 in food for a total goal of $400. So these will just be in my savings challenge envelope, and then every couple months I'll do the exact same thing. I'll take it to the bank, and then I will fill some California envelopes and leave those in here. So let's see what Big Blue looks like now. Oh, what a difference. What a difference. And if I put this in here, let's see what it looks like. Even with that, it's not that bad. That's still, yeah, it's so much thinner. That's amazing. Yay. Okay, I'm going to take 130 of this and put it in my savings account because it's my savings challenge. And then the rest of it is just going back into the bank to repay myself for the $12.60 that I took out, which wasn't exactly $12.60 because I had some fake bills in there. But this is all that we took out of our sinking funds today, except for like this bill. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. So let's enjoy it for a minute, and then let's count it. All right, so let's organize this money. All right, there she is, all sorted. And now we get to count it. Let's see what we've got. We have 100, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 400, 2, 4, 6. So 50, no, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 500, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 900, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000. So let's stack all this up. This is 1,000. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, whoa, what? Did my brain turn off? Okay, so we had 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. So we have 1,200. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's double check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So this is 50. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't do that to me. No. Okay, so this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. I need this to be right. Okay, moment of truth. This should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, thank gosh. Okay, so that means this is 60. Whew. Thank gosh. I was like, am I off by $1? So we have $1,260, which is exactly what we started with, which means we did everything correctly. Hey y'all, thank you for everyone who entered my giveaway. Today I'm going to be choosing my first and second place winners, and to be eligible you had to be a public subscriber to me and Mia's Envelopes. And I did verify that both winners were subscribed to both of us, and you had to comment on my video with how you found out about my channel, and I did get 2 winners, so I'm going to show you the screenshot of me choosing the first winner. And the first winner is Cheerful Fire. Congratulations. I'll be reaching out to you, and thank you so much for being a subscriber. I'll just be looking for an email or a DM from you on Instagram so I can get your envelopes made, and I will send those along with your cash tray and Ulta gift card. The second subscriber, I forgot to take a screen recording of, oops, but the second winner I chose was Sassy Life Story, which I love that YouTube channel name. And this winner said they recently started filming their own budget videos. So everyone go check out Sassy Life Story's channel. So you will be winning a set of 5 custom cash envelopes as well. So I'll be reaching out to you as well. Thank you to everyone who participated in my giveaway. I really, really appreciate your support, and I cannot wait to host the next giveaway. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big like down below, subscribe to my channel, and stick around for my March budget videos and cash envelope stuffings, as well as the March Madness savings challenge that I will be participating in this month, along with so many fellow YouTubers, and I'm so excited for the collab. So in my first cash envelope stuffing, you'll see the envelope I'll be saving money in, and I hope that you all will do the challenge with us. So stick around, watch my March videos, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next one. Bye.